If you've lost access to your Yahoo Mail account, you can follow these steps to regain ownership quickly. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Go to the Yahoo Sign-in Helper. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the Yahoo Mail address you are trying to recover. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Choose Recovery option. Select a recovery option from the list provided. This may include sending a verification code to your registered phone number or an alternate email address. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your phone or alternate email for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the Yahoo page to confirm your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should have access to your Yahoo Mail account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.